Hi guys, Mike Ianosi here with another Didgeridoo tutorial of the three pillars and a more in-depth explanation. Let's get to it. Hi guys, so this is part number 2 on the three pillars. I've been playing the Didgeridoo for 12 years. Actually, the three pillars are so important once you understand what it really means, because it makes you able to categorize what you're doing exactly and where your sound is coming from. So if you want to change your sound, then it's by activating or deactivating one of the little parts in each pillar. These things we say are only to help you become a better player. But the number one thing you need to do is practice, and that's what makes the big steps. And so to be more complete, just looking at it from a physical side, from what our body does, the three pillars, it is the breath, so articulation. Then the third pillar is the connection. And I will show you on the Didgeridoo what it all sounds like. So, let's go with the drone. So, the drone, make it continuous. The drone is this long exhalation. But in order to survive, we cannot only exhale, we need to inhale. That's where the magic happens, just like the magic of life. So the two things that the breath can do, as you realize, is it can go in, it can go exhale, and then it goes inhale. So it's like, now you hear it. Actually, the inhalation has no sound if we only look at it from the breath part. So the inhalation is actually an articulation as a pulling sound, because as we inhale, we articulate a movement so that the air can go out from our mouth. And now we're getting to articulation. It has a pulling sound, and this pulling sound can have many different sounds. The attacks, which are the T and K sound. Then we have harmonics. So the harmonics are and this is how it sounds like in the Didgeridoo. And then we have the vowels, which are A, E, I, O, and U. Then the third pillar is the connection. So that's the connection with the lips to the instrument. So connection has 5 distances, and that's because I include disconnect. So we have disconnected, and And this is how it sounds like in the didgeridoo. We have weak connection, then median connection, then strong, and fat tips. Anyway guys, I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if there is something I missed out, or have a nice evening. Until next time, Mike Ianosi. See you soon. Bye bye.